Hello, welcome everybody to an August 4th stream. We had a quick analysis video yesterday with all the pairs and the metals. Gonna take that into action today on some of the pairs, but we'll see how price action plays out. But yeah, other than that, I think it's the start of the month. Gotta preserve capital still. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I think Chan should be here too soon too. Let me check. No, he isn't online yet. So let's go to gold first. Gold, as per the analysis, we have this little wedge forming. We had this pierce through at 5 o'clock, this little sell off. I am kind of expecting somewhat of a sell off to start off the month and then a bullish finish to the month. But obviously we'll anticipate play price action, what it gives us. I feel like with gold, we've reached a pretty good resistance right now. We could hit the 1950s level. It's one area I'm kind of looking at right now. But yeah, it's in this like upper wedge right now. So if it breaks this like trend line, I think I drew it yesterday too. Yeah, if it breaks this trend line going up, then it'll be a sell. But if not, then I guess it's just playing within this range right now. Pretty tight range. It has pierced the upper side to yesterday, or what's that? That was Sunday evening. And it just pierced the lower range right now. So I think safe sells are going to be below this wick or even below 1970s for safe sells. So let's say if this hour starts to go bearish, that'd be safe sells on that. That's one trade I'm looking for. That's going to be the trade I'm looking for on silver actually. Is if this hour starts to go bearish, or even if the hour, 30 minute, or even the 15 minutes starts to break lower, then I'll be getting in on the shorts to get that little retracement downwards before I continue to move up. The reason why I'm expecting that on these metals is because the new month started. We had a pretty big bullish close in July, right? Above the previous week, creating new all-time highs on gold. Silver had a crazy bullish move up too. But in order to continue up, especially most bullish months, you have a little pullback down and then a continuation up. That's what it usually does, but considering it's at all-time highs, I mean, bullish momentum and strength is still there. So playing the shorts is tough. You have to play that between the levels, obviously. So yeah, other than that, I think we just wait and let the price action tell us what to do. And obviously buys are going to be above the level, because if it does start breaking bullish, then it has room to go for sure. USD CAD, we had bias called. I think when I was doing the analysis, the buys were called here. I did enter. I got stopped out. I actually put my stop below the wick over here. So at 70, I put the stop, and as you can see, it hit 70 and then just boom, went up. But considering the structure right now, I do feel like it has further room to continue higher, as it's the start of the new month, and I feel like reversals are coming up before continuing its actual long-term or higher time frame long-term direction, which is down for USD CAD, up for pound USD, up for Euro USD, up for pound CAD as well. So yeah, other than that, I think it was pretty good analysis called on USD CAD. We have more room to continue upwards. Maybe we're going to see support at like 134 formed, then a continue push up. I'm going to wait on this one. I have no rush to trade right now. So some allergies at the moment too. Might have to take a nap or something. Yeah, no news today, so it's kind of good. It's gonna be pure price action plays. Yeah, dollar index. So the dollar index, it's kind of reversing to start the week and the month. The month, I do expect August to go bearish as well, but just playing the intra-month movement, if that makes sense. Trying to anticipate price action, price movement for that. So we'll see how that one plays out. Tight ranges though, very tight ranges. This trade, yeah, this trade needs to have a bearish flip on the 1 hour. If it does that, I mean, well, we still have 37 minutes left on this. Even gold too, actually. Gold's still in this wedge right now. I guess you could go wick to wick. I could adjust that like that. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Respecting this upper trend right here. But yeah, now I do believe any bearish move below this 6 o'clock candle would be a sell. Bullish move will be above the wicks here to first fill this range at 1984 and then continue higher after. But obviously we'll wait and play the price action it gives us today. Also, the reason I switch between silver and gold all the time is because silver does follow gold. So if I do see gold start to head bearish, I might enter on silver. I feel like silver is easier to control my risk right now. Gold's pretty crazy. It's fun for sure, but silver, you can see it moves pretty nicely. It gives you good opportunities there. Nice. I'm liking this 5-minute bearish finish though. But that's weak confirmation, very weak. I mean, it's bullish on this gold one right now. But like I said, we need just bearish momentum for the sells. I am looking for those. For the buys, I am going to be aware of those as well, just in case it does start to have a bullish move upwards. What I might do is I have a gauger position where I enter up here, and then enter another one a little bit higher if it goes up, have my stop above too. Kind of reduce my risk, but give me higher probabilities for the bearish move down. And I think I might, what would my stop be? My stop would probably have to be like 45, I'd say. I think 45 is a good stop. Enter at 31. So I have a gauger at, enter right now, 31.8. So 24, 31, 8 is my little gauger position. Because I am still anticipating a little sell-off, even if it's to like 24 or lower. I do think eventually we hit like $23 before going up. And if you go on the monthly, $23 is just like down here. Where is it? Right at this area right here. So I do expect a little bearish move down before continuing up. Overall, long term, I do want to get in all the longs, but short term, I'm just playing with price action. What it's given me, silver hits this has hit this resistance too, right? As its bullish move up, kind of hit resistance, slowed down quite a bit on its bullish momentum, but we'll see. Now this hour is going a little bit bullish again. Patience is gonna pay off, so I'm gonna be a little bit more patient. Give me 1 second. Gotta check some stuff right now. Oh, there he is. Just invited him.
Good morning.
Yo, what's up? How you doing, man?
Uh,
Huh?
just
Tired.
Yeah, man. I slept with the window open and it got cold last night.
Yeah, it was weird. It was like hot, cold. It was interesting weather, like always.
Yeah.
Always. How's the long weekend? Chilling.
Same old, same old. Studied, chilled out with the girl. How about you? I'm waiting to hear with the Nordic Spa.
It's good. I'll tell you in a bit. I heard you messaged Dylan to go eat. He was shocked. It's funny.
Oh yeah, yeah.
He was just shocked. He's like, "Yo, are you okay?"
I wanted to see if he was down. Because well, I would have asked you, but you weren't getting out.
Oh yeah. I know. It's all good. I was out. You say you asked like him and Arthur to go eat something. Nice. So, did you all end up eating?
Nope.
No.
No, Arthur had his dad's dinner, and Dylan's girl came over.
Yeah, he told me about that. It's all G, man. But yo, Nordic Spa, highly recommend. 100%. Go.
Yeah.
Go tomorrow. I'm just kidding.
No,
ASAP.
I think I'm in the budget for the when we return. So
Yeah, fair enough. I would go. It is a bit pricey to stay there for one night. I would go for one night, or you can camp one night too. I'm gonna like kind of set it up. But all you
no,
really
I was
need,
kind of thinking about one. Like, okay, so one night, like, how much was the hotel room? 300-400.
yeah, but so like we got, I got the thing today. So the hotel room, and we had like one dinner there that was charged for the room, $75. So it was about like 500 after tax and
Yeah.
everything, with dinner and one room. But one night, but the one night is like all you need because you could go there in the
Yeah.
morning. There's like actually nice hikes everywhere. You could walk around. They have Mount Kidd. They got like,
Oh yeah, Mount Kidd is what I want to do.
yeah. So there's it's like a pretty damn nice area, man, over there. So it's not too far either. I mean, it's by the golf course, and obviously y'all know golf, but
Yeah.
the options are there. But there's like they have a little trail they have. So there's like viewing points. That's where you saw my picture on one of the viewing points. They got different hikes. We did like a hike a little bit outside of it. Had a picnic. But if you go there in the morning, you can go for like a hike. You bring like picnic stuff. They have like picnic tables outside for lunch. You kind of hold up, give me a second. But yeah, you kind of have picnic after. Um, you chill. There's like fire. There's places to sit down. There's like ponds. It's pretty relaxing.
Yeah.
Lots of places to walk around. You can see like sunsets and shit too, which is sick. And then yeah, for dinner they actually have a pretty nice restaurant for dinner. You can eat
Yeah.
outside too. You can also bring your own stuff. Doesn't matter. The dinner place we wanted to go to, it was so they have two places. Cedar Plank, which is more like fancy, and Forte, which is the one that's open right now, which is decent. They have good food though. We got room service and actually like ate in the room for that with some alcohol, and some drinks because it was busy downstairs.
Yeah.
But then after at nighttime, they have like a fire pit where they like light up and people like sit around. So we went for like a walk. And then we got like a bottle of wine from there. But I'd recommend bringing your own bottle of wine because it's cheaper too. Some glasses and like your own bottle of wine. You can just go sit by the fire, chill, drink wine. You could even, if you had marshmallows or shit, you can make s'mores, which is pretty bomb. We didn't have any, but we saw a lot of people doing it. Kind of just chill there. And then you could walk around at night too. It was a nice night, so we had a little walking night after.
Yeah.
It was pretty good. Chill
So
in
do
the
you
room.
go hiking the next day, or do you go to Banff?
You
Like on Saturday?
can. Well, the thing was, we had our massage. So they right now
Yeah.
for the spa, they split it into two sections. So it's like 9 a.m. to 2:30 for the first spa,
Yeah.
and then or 9 a.m. to 2. Yeah, 9 a.m. till 2. And then the second one is like 2:30 till 9 p.m.
Yeah.
So what they do is that we got the morning one so we can go for a hike. But I'd recommend, if you really wanted to, go for like a morning hike and then go for a spa after.
Mm-hmm.
Because after the morning hike, you could eat and then you won't be as rushed. So you go for the evening spa. And then you could go to Banff too if you wanted to, right? It's close by.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you book a massage, you get the spa access. They don't have any saunas or steam rooms open for obvious reasons.
Yeah.
But there's like the hot and cold pool. So I was just going between the hot and cold. They got like
Oh.
hammocks and shit.
Yeah.
It's pretty relaxing, man. Nice hot tub, pretty chill environment.
Was there a lot of people?
Honestly, at the spa, no. The morning session, maybe like 10, 15. The hotel in our surrounding areas, yeah. Because you could do like, I think people just do like day trips to visit there too. But even like, there's a lot of people staying there. So there's quite a bit of people inside. But yeah,
So
man.
how much was the spa package for 2 peeps?
One massage and spa is 200.
Yeah.
So it'd be like 400. So it'd be like a pretty much all in like $1,000 trip.
Nice.
But it's sick for one night, relax and shit, and you feel like refreshed after, which is dope. Just what you need, man.
That's dope.
But I think it'd be perfect for Celia after everything. After
Yeah, I
CPA
was
and all
thinking
that.
about that too. Book on the last day, so come back Saturday night.
Yeah, exactly. Saturday night, and then.
What time did you go there then, or did you check in? Was it like 1?
Well, the thing is, we kind of just like did picnic and a hike, so we kind of checked in around like 3, because we left Calgary on like 11, 12, and then went out to eat, did a mini hike, like mini walk around the woods, and then we saw the picnic stuff at the place, so we were kind of like, you could have just had picnic there, but it's all good.
Yeah.
But yeah, we checked in around 3, and then yeah, did the rest of the stuff at night.
And checkout's 11, I'm assuming.
Yeah, it's 11, but you can check out anytime. Leave your stuff in the car, go for a hike, come back to the spa. They got their showers and everything too, right? So, and the hot cold pools, which is sick. But yeah, go to Bath. Went to Grizzly House. That place is bomb, man.
Yeah, did you guys get the fondue, or what do you guys get?
Yeah, fondue for sure. The 4-course meal with fondues.
So what? Yeah, alligator, kangaroo, or what?
No, not the exotic one, man.
Oh.
But like,
Yeah.
have you tried that?
When I first went there, I mean, when Cecilia and I went, I think we just had like the steak.
Yeah. Standard. That's still bomb though, steak and chicken and shit.
Yeah. Well, when we had you had the cheese fondue or what?
Yeah, well, it's a 4-course meal, so you have salad, then you have cheese fondue, then you have the meat, and then you have chicken or chocolate
We
fondue.
found the cheese fondue interesting.
Why?
Because like it's like really heavy with the wine, and they told us that before.
Yeah, it is. It's like Swiss cheese. It's a different style, so
yeah,
it's a heavier, and it's only bread. If they had like vegetables and shit, that'd be pretty bomb. But
yeah, it was only bread. I think we dipped it with our meat though. Just fuck it.
Yeah, dipping meat and cheese fondue is pretty bomb. But
yeah, that's bomb. So it sounds like a crazy weekend. So
then
you went to Banff the next day then on Saturday?
Yeah, the next day we went to Banff.
So you got back home that Saturday night then?
Yeah, it was a crazy thunderstorm driving home. It was actually pretty sick.
Oh yeah, I remember that the Saturday. Yeah, because we went to the South Glenmore Park Reservoir. Reservoir. Yeah, just to walk around, and just chill out. But yeah, no, that thunderstorm was crazy, man.
It was wild, bro.
I think this year alone was the only time in my life where it's rained so much that you know how you have like different speeds for your wipers.
Yeah.
I was at the quickest speed and I still couldn't see.
Damn! Wow, that fucking rain. Yeah. Did it hail on you at all or no?
No, it didn't hail, but it was just straight rain, straight pouring.
Out of the mountain, it was like rain, hail, thunderstorm. It was crazy. A lot of people pulled over, but you just gotta like slowly drive through it.
You just gotta keep going.
Yeah, either way, you're gonna get hit.
Yeah. I think the ones that are the dangerous is like people stopping underneath the underpass.
Yeah, we saw
They're just
some.
chilling there. It's just like why?
Well, we saw motorcycle guys chilling there. That made
Well, yeah,
sense for
but
sure.
like regular cars, like come on, man.
Yeah, not regular cars.
It's like, yeah, I know, man. You don't want to get hail damage and stuff like that, but
You're just
you're
gonna
disturbing
hold.
the peace.
Yeah, you're just holding everything up at that point.
Yeah,
So
no one cares. No one cares.
it's all
But
good.
are you in a trade right now?
Yeah, I'm in silver. I have like 20. Yo, the USD CAD played out. Fucking my stop was too. I have my
That's
stop below this wick too. I put it at 70, but it like went
yeah,
10
it's
pips
all good.
below.
It's
And
all
I
good.
knew it would do something. I think next time I'm gonna leave it. So if I had like 70, so I was in at 97, so 70. I had a 70 pip target around like 134.75. So I think if I'm gonna have a target that's around like that, I'm just gonna have a 1-to-1 in a sense.
Yeah, that's fair.
Because even with a 20% position, this wasn't too bad. 20 pip stop loss, 27 pip on a
Yeah,
20% position, but I could give it room on that too
yeah,
to
of
like
course.
this level, but it's all good. Shit happens. Still testing out the overnighters.
It is what it is.
Yeah,
It is what it is.
we'll see. I have this wedge on gold coming up.
Oh man.
Probably see it. It's crazy wedge. It's kind of like the same here too. Just this resistance at like 40 levels pretty big. But yeah, I think sells below this area, or if you get like bearish structure, any bearish move, it's gonna be sells. Well, that's pretty easy. Any bearish move sells, any bullish moves buys.
Euro. It's breaking too.
Yeah, I feel like it's gonna have a little retracement, dude, to like down here potentially 117. I was looking at Euro yesterday. The retracement is coming.
Which is fine.
Mini
Let it
hand
retrace.
shoulders get to 117. Pretty big support. I don't know if that's power to break it, but those look bearish. So yeah, man. Did you end up going to that go-karting thing?
No, we didn't. We didn't. I think it's just we look at the weather, it might rain, and we're like, whatever. We'll go next time. Not big rush.
Solid G. It's a good weekend overall. You guys are probably just chilling until CPA is done, man.
Yeah, until she's done. Well, I mean, yeah, this is her last weekend out, so we're just fine, man. I'll get some studying done.
Yeah, that's good.
Good. Fuck it, man. It's all about the grind.
Always about the grind.
Oh,
Played a couple games of Dota yesterday. Fun.
damn. How was it? You get wrecked by the pros or what?
Nah, I'm still good. I still got it. That's sick. My Void game, I went 14-0-10.
Wow.
Void is my guy, man. I got 14 kills, 0. It's turbo. It's not like MMR or anything. Play Void, Zeus, Razor, and Pudge. Turbo, so it's only like 20, 30 minute
Damn.
games.
All those names I recommend. So you download on Steam?
Yeah, I quickly play. I just want to play a few. Even like after he showed like Husker, I was
Yeah.
like, fuck, I kind of want to play a couple. So I just re-downloaded to play a few.
Who do you play with?
Well, by myself, bro.
Uh,
Just random on turbo mode. It was fun.
wait, on Turbo? What is Turbo mode?
It's just like more gold, more experience, so you level up faster. It's not like, cause you remember how regular Dota or Han, it could take like an hour for some games.
Yeah.
This is like 20 to 30 minutes, so it's not too bad. Like that Void game was, I think, 18 minutes. It was fast. It was fun.
Were you on the mic or what?
No, I wasn't on the mic for that. I was just playing, enjoying it. Pudge was fun too, man. Just hooking everyone. And your girl Murata was still there too, man.
Oh man, I love her.
Just tossing arrows everywhere.
Tossing arrows, yes. That's the best shit ever.
Yo, I was gonna ask, did you get natural gas?
Oh no.
Damn.
No, I did not, sir.
You were
I
planning
mean, I wish
that long.
UGA Z was still going.
But you
no.
were planning that long out for a while.
Yeah, I was. I was
But-
thinking about, but I mean, one contract's $100 up and down.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I need a bigger account for that.
That's for Black Bull?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
I
But you
mean,
can.
yeah, Yuri was saying that he did one contract.
Yeah,
It was
pretty bad.
offside like I think 100 or 200.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You didn't find any other ETF. They delisted UGAZ, right?
Yeah, but it still went up 50%.
Wow.
I was looking at UJ's, it went 50%. It's insane.
Yeah, that's rough. But they didn't have any other ones.
It's not 3 times leverage.
Yeah, this thing's gonna go bearish. I'm already in a gager on silver before you came on.
Long or short?
Short gager. Why? New month start. So when you go to the new month start, usually you have like this little pullback overall in the month. Like if I had to play the full month out, I'm bullish. I was comparing it. Remember back in like February when Ted just took longs on gold?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do feel like that's a play too, just for the fact that bullish momentum, new highs, but intra month, I think there's gonna be like a little pullback. Like even if you look at gold right now and silver follows gold, so I was doing like analysis on gold and then going to silver. But gold hit this like resistance, so I do think it hits like the bottom of these bodies right here at 1955 before continuing its like bullish momentum upwards for the month.
Yeah.
So when you go to like silver, it's kind of the same. You have the bullish month on July. I feel like you can get a little bit of a pullback before continuing upwards.
Yeah.
And just because there hasn't really been a big pullback, even when you go to the daily, this is like last week, the daily had that one red day, but you could see the bullish exhaustion on the price. So the same thing I was expecting for silver is like kind of have a pullback to this body at like 2350 and then continue upward. I'm not expecting a fat move, but like a decently small short side play before continuing upwards.
I honestly hope it goes 1900.
Yeah, Joe, that's what I'm hoping to. Anything like below, I'd start just playing buys. So if it like hits some support down here, then
Yeah.
yeah, just start playing buys like 1950, 1900s too. I think that was the last one.
Yeah, I think 2000 is a huge, like, more psychological number.
Yeah,
Once
it
it
is.
breaks 2000, it's shooting.
That's the thing, right? I do think it'll happen this month because if you look at the monthly, dude, this monthly from July. Let me clear drawings real quick. But you look at the monthly in July, it finished above these wicks from before, creating like new all-time highs. In theory, it does retest down here and then go up, but just considering strong bullish momentum and a weak dollar at the moment and unlimited stimulus, according to Powell, you could easily see a rise, especially if this month flips bullish. Let's say it goes
Yeah.
above like 1983. That's 1983 to 2000's easy move. But obviously, you want it to go like 1900, create support, and then go up, right? So
Yeah.
that's the one thing I think we'll get. So we'll see how that turns out. Are you looking at any trades?
Yeah, I'm looking at Euro. I just did a gauger of a short.
Nice. I
And I
like the
put it
short play.
at 17,495.
I like the short on that.
Yeah, but I think I should have put a sell stop right at just right below the zone.
Yeah.
'Cause then that was the quick 10 pips. But I mean, if it forms, the hour's about to close. I hope it makes an upper wick before it heads down. But
Well, you look at the structure too. It's kind of looking like it's gonna hit the support right here. Eventually, there's nothing really stopping
yeah,
it. But even if you want 10 pips, you can get the 10 pips at the 20 or the 30, I'm guessing. So
yeah,
depends on the next hour open, but you got good momentum going down right now. Break
yeah.
support, yeah. Full margin the counter.
Already did, buddy. Already did.
Nice.
Oh wow, there it goes. There it goes.
Yeah. Boom, right there.
There's 9 more minutes. Let's see.
Damn, some cases at Chinook Center, hey? Fuck
I
that.
think it's two. Is it two?
Yeah, 2 cases.
From the workers or something. It's like, god dang it, man. Keep it clean.
Damn. 10 pips right there on Euro.
Ow. I just took profits 80%. I'm just a break even this now. Damn. What a drop. Wow.
Damn, keep going.
Man, so fat. God damn it.
Should have went full margin. No,
Should have, man. Just went all in. Oh, fuck. That'd been just a nice way of calling it a day. Wow. Not even gonna pull back a bit. It's crazy. Right before 7.
maybe at 7, you gotta pull back. I don't know. I guess it did hit 20s. It's a fat drop.
Crazy. I almost dropped 100 pips since, what was it? Since 3:30 last night. Almost 100 pips. That's wild.
I'll be right back. I just watch real quick.
Yeah, I'll get going.
Yo, let's look at Euro USD. So, Chad got the short there. Now with this new 4-hour and hour formant, if it does pull back a bit, I think you're still gonna get to move to 117. So that'll probably happen eventually. Obviously, we're gonna get a pullback first before continuing the pattern, continuing the momentum. Yeah, with the dollar going up, Euro USD is probably gonna fall. Pound USD just broke support too. Pound USD looks like it's gonna have a pullback. So usually what it does is kind of have a pullback to this the previous level and then go down like that. So I do think we're gonna get that. How's the daily look like that? Yeah, with that daily formation, that's bearish. Bearish. USD CAD. 4 hour. Yeah, I feel like 4 hours are gonna do the same thing. So it all looks the same. It all looks like it's dollar driven, which is quite nice. So with dollar driving it, price action should be playing out pretty well. Again, for silver and gold, you're gonna need to break below this support area. So we'll see if we do get that retracement today or another day. But I do feel like we get it eventually here. Would I hold silver overnight? Probably not. Shit's too wild to hold overnight. Oh, I forgot to put this on the website. Damn. I'm gonna do that right now. Go daddy. For anyone visiting the website, we haven't done much over the weekend. I think we both want to enjoy the weekend. But easily within this month, you're going to see a lot of content going up. A lot of everything. Going into it, it's already coming together very nicely. Slowly but surely it's coming together. That's so cool. I can have a live stream on the website. After I update it, I will show you guys how it is. So we got the home page basically done. Investing basics almost done. This page is, I think China has this to do. Got the sub pages as well. Trading basics almost done. Behavioral finance is done. Live stream. It's so sick how the live stream's on the website.
Live stream. Yeah. Inception.
I know, man. It's actually pretty cool. Euro's pulling back nicely right now.
Yeah. But is it gonna hit the zone? Sure.
The magical zone.
Yeah. Wow, pound CAD dropped at the same time too. It was a Euro phenomenon.
I mean, retracements were expected. It was just like when would it happen?
Yeah. And honestly, at this point and stuff, it's like it just dropped basically 30 pips.
That's a pretty good drop for Euro.
Yeah. So it's just like, do I enter more? Or...
No.
Yeah. Just like
Start
the
with
moves
luck.
are done.
Well, I mean, you could plan it out if you had like an entry.
Yeah, but my original entry was at 49.5. 17.49.5.
That is pretty
I was
nice.
thinking it was gonna wake up, right? But it broke down, so it's just like
This could be the wake up right now on this 30-minute, but again, might not be. I do think we get to 117 though. There's like nothing stopping it.
that's true.
And if you wanted like true momentum, you could do the TED play of playing like break of wick to like 12. So that'd be like 22 to 12.
21.
Yeah, 20, 21 to like 11. That'd be Ted's play. That's how he trades. So he has the direction confirmation, and then he waits for the wick to be broken, and then when the wick's broken, there literally is nothing for momentum until the next level, and that's like 117.07 on the hour. But obviously, it could be like 117 flat.
There it goes. There it goes. This is for Ted.
This is for Ted.
This is for Ted, man. This is for Ted. So stops at 25. Yeah, 28.
Oh,
17. This is for Ted. In all his glory.
all hail Ted, bro.
All hail Ted. Oh man, I'm gonna go for a run today. Can't wait.
Nice.
Yeah.
Need something to happen, bro. I think 7:30 will get a good push in volume.
Yeah.
Hope it goes our ways too.
Straight up, buddy. Oh, oh man. Let's talk about the news, everyone. Let's see what's on the
Forex
grapevine.
Factory.
Pardon me.
Oh, news like Forex Factory or like just standard news?
Like Finbiz news. So Finbiz news, Forex Factory news. They're all good news. Let's see what's on the news today. People are recovering. Colombia economic growth recovered to over 4% in 2021. Okay, so it hasn't recovered yet. It's just a projection that usually is wrong. Cool. Irish car sales down 14% in the key month of July.
Damn, RIP Irish car sales. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess the Leprechaun didn't come out this year. Okay, so what do you think about TikTok selling its U.S. division to Microsoft?
Well,
Or going,
that's good. Just means that it's not gonna get banned in the US, right? So it's about to get
yeah,
banned in
people
the
would
US.
lose their shit if it did.
Yeah, a lot of people would lose their shit if it did.
I wonder why they care that TikTok and stuff is like. First is a social. Okay, from my understanding, I've never used TikTok, so I want you to correct me here. It's you making basically videos paired up with music most of the time.
Uh yeah, it's like Vine. Let's put it like that.
Yeah.
It's exactly like Vine.
Okay.
But
That's
it's the millennial Vine, I guess.
is the U.S. worried that there's some backdoor to the software, and that software essentially like
Giving data
dives
to
into
Chinese.
backlist stuff?
I think so. I think they were worried about it because like India banned it because there's a Chinese company TikTok. So I know
Yeah, it
data
is.
was going to them. So that's why India banned it. But I guess with the US division getting sold
But
to
I thought
Microsoft.
India banned it for its own reasons, with kind of the confrontation in Nepal. Like
Yeah, I
kind of
think
like
so. There's some like heat and tension over there. But yeah, no, I think that's basically it. I think US was gonna ban it too, but then they sold it off to Microsoft, which is kind of good for them. So yeah,
okay. Yeah,
so
that's interesting.
it is interesting for sure.
This article is hilarious. The title is "Too Big to Fail" is the new mantra for bulls in the stock market. That's true.
Bulls in the stock market, eh?
Yeah.
Let's
Oh, yeah,
check
so you were
it out.
talking about the website and stuff. So yes, I know. I've been slow on finishing that.
It's all
So
good. I've been slow on trading basically. We'll get it done. I know we'll get it done this month easily.
yeah, but we're gonna start making videos this month too.
Yeah, I think we gotta set a date. Just hammer out
Yeah,
all the videos.
let's start
How
maybe.
long did you want the videos to be? Because attention spans and shit.
Honestly, depends on the subject. Like I think we're gonna make what is it 3 videos per each of the categories at least, right? Depends on how many headings that is.
Yeah, so like basically 4 videos per each topic, almost, right? Because it'd be like investing basics, the 3 subtopics, trading basics, the 3 subtopics.
Yeah, which is basically a summary if people don't want to read through everything we said.
Yeah. But then you gotta take into consideration people's attention spans for videos. I think it's like on average I was reading 10 minutes. 8 minutes is like standard. But it's lowering every time. I think when YouTube first started, they said average watch time was like 25 to 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And then as the years progressed, it went shorter and shorter because people's attention spans got lower and lower.
Yeah. No, that's why TikTok and all these guys are
Banking.
doing the thing, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Damn. Our traffic down to like the website has died down quite a bit.
Yeah, not really promoting it, right? I just told people it'll be out in September.
Yeah.
Social media, get the Instagram going, Facebook.
Yeah. So yeah.
Get highlights too. I wonder how they do highlights on
What do you mean?
Like do you like have clips or something? So remember how Raja has like GJ buy highlight? You know what I mean? I wonder how he does that.
I think he would basically capture his screen and record his screen, and then just would play back basically what he said on the screen.
Yeah, I think that's it. That's true. And
And
then
then fast forward it, make a video, upload it on the cloud, wherever, because I think he uses Samsung. Then
yeah.
upload that on Instagram. I don't know, I'm not 100% how he does it.
I think
Can you
that's it.
upload
That seems right.
You upload stuff on Instagram through your desktop?
Yeah, yeah. No one does, but you can. I'm pretty sure you can. Can you?
Oh wow, they finally put messages. Wait. Before they didn't have messages on the desktop Instagram.
Really?
I couldn't, yes. Actually, was it? I'm pretty sure there was it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there was.
Can you post on this thing?
Profile. Post. No, you can't.
It says top left corner. I think you can. Online it says you can, but it's like a process that I'll
Yeah.
figure out later. And I'll...
Oh, I'm gonna send that to you.
I do it.
It's so funny. Oh man, that's great. Ah.
Oh shit.
It's just so funny. He's like, oh shit, oh shit.
Oh damn.
Yeah, you got raw.
You got rocked. Wow. That hurts.
Yeah.
Wow, man. Check out Russo's video
Wait, where did you send it?
on his WhatsApp.
What is this? Oh yeah, dude, this one's so I've seen it. It's so funny when the owners kind of talk to each other.
Yeah, yeah.
What's your name? Oh, fuck you.
Don't fuck you, Tony.
I wonder because sometimes you do think it's like the dogs are barking at each other. It's like they're probably saying the same shit.
Like, who the fuck are you? Fuck you.
It's like I'll mess you up, buddy.
That's funny. Oh, look at this headline. Trump says coronavirus under control. It is what it is.
Dude, Trump's freaking hilarious.
That's so funny. Trump's even saying it is what it is.
But he's right in the sense that like it is what it is.
Yeah.
Like until you guys get a vaccine, it's either you stay at home or you just live life like you normally do.
See, Russia's fast tracking the vaccine. They're gonna like start putting them out in October. Give it to people. They're doing phase 3 testing right now, but they're gonna do like give it
Good luck.
like max vaccination in October.
You know what happens when you rush things?
Oh, it's not gonna be super soldiers, bro.
Yeah, you know, like, is it effective? Like, you know, there's a lot of questions and stuff, especially when you rush this. I know that it's urgent, don't get me wrong,
but there
fast
could be like certain consequences if you do it too fast, right?
exactly, because you don't have enough data.
Yeah, exactly. And even Fauci was saying Russia doesn't even have enough data or like scientific data back in their vaccination.
Yeah, exactly. So it's just like, yeah, I honestly don't. Oh,
Yo.
what? Trump 2020. It is what.
It's so funny.
So it was it's been so Joe recommended me to watch because he's like watched most of Joe Rogan's podcast, so I'm like, recommend me some of like the top ones.
He probably watches it on the drive, right?
Yeah, exactly. So then I was like, it's like he's like one of the funniest and craziest ones is actually Alex Jones.
Yeah.
Have you watched it?
No, I can imagine how that would go though.
But like,
hilarious.
you talked to him and you listened to Joe Rogan and this other dude called Eddie Bravo talk about, and honestly, like, I don't know, people are gonna call me crazy. Like, some of the shit he says isn't that crazy anymore.
Who, Alex Jones?
Yeah. And like it's because they played a clip because he did the podcast for Joe Rogan, the 9/11 number 9/11 episode.
Yeah.
It's obviously he meant it to get him on there, but he talked about like how people label him crazy and stuff.
Yeah.
From what all the stuff he says. Okay, so I think that is when Alex Jones got into the news. I think Megyn Kelly did a piece on him regarding what he said about Hillary Clinton chops kids and stuff like that. Chops up kids in a pizza shop. And I don't know if you ever heard of
not chops. Wasn't the Pizzagate where they had child sex trafficking?
Yeah. So a huge thing. So apparently what they did was actually really slander him because he played the original clip of what he was saying it, and they basically twisted his words and cut out some audio and just played this certain part, and then just made people think he was going crazy, saying it was like the Pizzagate thing, but actually he was saying about how Hillary Clinton, like, well, he's exaggerating a little bit, but like basically was responsible for like the Syrian wars and stuff like that. So it was basically like chopping up kids and stuff in the basement.
Damn, interesting.
So they were doing a lot of audio cut ins and outs. It was insane.
Yeah, that sounds interesting.
I mean, obviously everyone agrees again. Even Joe Rogan, when Alex Jones had to go take a piss, they were saying, yeah, sometimes he says some outlandish things, and it does like set him up to be an easy target. But a lot of his like news feeds, like his like NYPD, his CIA connects, and all those guys, like they do feed him stuff. Is like even those guys were saying like, yeah, he would mention something, and then like a couple weeks later, it actually came out on the news being true.
So his craziness was actually like truth.
Well, I mean, there's some
Or...
of his craziness. He just gets on a rant, and that's whatever.
Yeah.
Right. But some of the stuff he says is kind of like, it kind of is true.
I can see that.
But yeah, it is what it is. I just found it interesting. I mean, though I haven't been disappointed, it has been a very fun time listening to like kind of banter.
Yeah, he's entertainment. It's fine. It's all his wild theories and conspiracies. Because even if you search Alex Jones online, they have like crazy theories by him. But
And some of the theories is crazy, but like a lot of these theories, I guess, is just like they're crazy, right? Until it's like it's true.
Until it's true, yeah.
Because he was saying that apparently there's some tactics that CIA, and not all CIA like, it's not like the whole CIA knows about this shit. It's like partials, right? And people do it to like, so if they, let's just say the Trump tells the CIA to do something, right?
Yeah.
They do it, right? But it doesn't mean that Trump knows about their tactics.
No, definitely not. Because they could use like
Right?
different tactics and everything. So
he says, did you know that so the World Trade Center, there's like back in the day, there was a bunch of protests, like peaceful protests. So what the CIA did in order to stop these protests was they would get these men, and they're all dressed like the same way, have the same boots, stuff like this.
yeah.
So it kind of reminds me, honestly, when he was talking about this of what happened with George Floyd, is that these guys essentially would make peaceful riots into like huge like riots, like start breaking property, stuff in this. And the reason why they do this is that so then that gives and the police don't know this too, but they obviously painted a bad picture. But then obviously if you have these protesters that are violent and stuff, the police have the rights to like kind of like disband this riot, right? Because then it's almost civil unrest, right? So essentially, the CIA would basically hire these guys to go cover up and like start rioting, and from a peaceful protest turn into a violent protest, and then the police would have authorization to shut it down.
Yeah, I've heard that theory actually.
Yeah. Which I'm just like, that's insane. And it's not, the thing is, it's not the police actually doing it. It's a different organization.
Yeah, it is. Where
and once like those guys get thrown in jail, and then like the CIA calls like the chief of police for that department is like, hey, like
he's on the CIA. Can you release him or whatever?
You guys are part of us and stuff. We want him back.
Yeah. That makes sense.
They have higher authority than you, in a sense.
That makes sense though. I've heard that theory where they just kind of like planted these violent rioters and protesters to like loot and everything and just like burn everything down. So makes sense though, because then the police or like the municipalities could actually use like force to create.
Well, yeah, because they don't know any better.
Yeah, exactly. So, but hold on, I'm gonna get more tea. I'll be right back. Yo.
Yo, what up?
Oh man, just chilling.
Yeah.
I got an average at
Sorry,
up.
what?
So I got average up at silver at 38.
Nice.
So
Wait, you're averaging up on the short, right?
yeah, average down. My bad, I guess. But my limit order put it at
Yeah.
38, got hit. So now my average price is about 35-ish, approximately.
Yeah. I think my runner's gonna get stopped out.
Oh, for euro.
Yeah, which is OG.
Yeah. I feel like
That's what runners are supposed to do. Either get stopped out or you run. You run like Forrest.
run, Forrest, run.
Run, Forrest, run.
Oh man, that good old movie. Yeah, fuck.
One of the best. One of the best.
Shit. Gosh, I'll be right back, man. Ooh, let's go. Drop. Drop, yeah.
Let's go.
Bitch.
Damn. LBJ taking over the game.
Basketball's been pretty dope to watch. Casually.
Yeah, I just miss it, man.
I want to play.
Oh, I do too. What they weren't they saying about renting a court? I'd be safer with that.
Yeah. Yeah, I do that too, for sure. I think they're talking about Edge in the Southwest or something, where you rent it out.
Well, I mean, $60 isn't that bad. It's like if we go to freaking MRU, it's.
Well, the
it's,
thing is, he did the math wrong, bro. So he
What?
said it's gonna be $80 an hour. So that
Yeah.
2 hours is gonna be 160 with 16 people. That'd be $10 per person.
Was it 14 people?
He said
Oh, yeah, it'd be
16
16
because you get like,
four teams of 4.
yeah, 4 teams of 4.
Man, who did the fucking math there?
Rohit, not good at math. Quick math. But yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that's not bad. I'll probably wait another month. I'll probably be down to do it in September.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait. No rush for that.
Because, yeah, I'm definitely going to be guarding your ass.
Yeah, I haven't done much cardio though. I'm gonna be slow. The allergies kill my lungs too right now. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Bro, draw something. Help me out here.
Oh. Wait, what are you doing?
You do. You draw whatever.
Wrong color. It needs to be red.
Actually, wait. No, wait. The thunder comes down on the hammer, right? That's how Thor does it. He gets thunder down on the hammer. And then now you can do it. Yeah, there we go. Smooth right there.
I'm not done. We're making the flames.
Going Super Saiyan. Hey?
Let's see.
It's just a circle.
No, I'm not done yet. Hold up. Hold up, buddy.
Nice. His one leg's detached though, by the way.
It's okay, man. It's a rough day.
It's a rough day.
Oh, wait, no. Hold on. I need to get the eraser for this. What the hell? Draw, you son of a gun.
There, attached his leg. Yeah, go. What?
Spirit bomb, buddy.
Oh yeah, Spirit Ball. That thing was rowdy.
Actually, no. It's and we're Super Saiyan, like I forgot whatever it is, but it's when they're blue hair now.
Oh, the new level, hey. Well, I guess we'll wait and see if this works out.
Just rips out the new eyes.
Nah.
Oh man. Yeah, no. That's long into question. Damn, let's do some quotes of the day here. And yes, I said quotes.
Interesting.
I did not ask for the things I've been. Actually, no. You have what it takes to become the best version of you. Okay. What you are afraid to do is a clear indication of what the next thing you need to do. Oof. Negative emotions like loneliness, envy, and guilt have an important role to play in a happy life. They're big, flashing signs that something needs to change. I did not ask for the things that I've been through, and I certainly did not ask my mind to paint and repaint the pictures in flashback form.
Interesting. That's a weird one.
Anyone can come into your life and say how much they love you. It takes someone really special to stay in your life and show how much they love you. Oh, this from Buddha. There are two mistakes one can make along the road to truth: not going all the way and not starting. Oof.
Ooh, that one's a good one.
Oof.
That applies.
That applies to trading for sure.
Yeah.
I know some of you and stuff might think it's like gambling, but with proper risk management, and like discipline, even at a casino, you can make money. And I'll give an example why. Ted, who is our mentor and stuff, he didn't start on the charts. He started in the casino playing poker.
He did. He did.
I honestly think why he can trade such high lots and why he's so calm in trading is because from the patience and like sitting at that poker table for so long on the weekends. That was able to train his mind. And the one thing is, I don't like poker. And the reason why I don't like poker, Simmer, is that when you go all in, I am forced to go all in with you.
You're not forced.
Yes, I am. Think of it. If you and I are gonna both have a trade, right? You trade opposite of me. Let's just say I want to short, you want to long.
Yeah.
I don't have to go freaking match your lot size.
No.
But in poker, you basically would have to if you want to see the full thing play out.
But that's if you have probability. That's when Ted was talking about probabilities. Like if you have cards, because it's all based off cards and the probabilities and outs.
Of course.
But like,
I mean, though, let's just say. But the thing is, okay, let's just say you see the. Is it the river? Is it the first three cards? What is it called?
The flop.
The flop.
Yeah.
And the river is the last two cards.
River and turn, and then river. Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, let's just say someone after the flop bet you pretty big.
Yeah.
Right? And that's with that being said is that right now we're assuming, let's just say you and I had the same amount of chips.
Yeah.
In the beginning, let's just say we had $10,000 on the poker table and we saw the flop, you bet $2,000.
Okay.
Or $3,000. And let's just say right now our probabilities of the card is like the same.
So after the flop, our probabilities are the same. Okay.
Yeah. And then okay, so that means that, or actually maybe not. Let's just say that you have a higher probability, but I was just 10% lower than you.
Okay.
Right? And it's just you and me playing. But like the thing is that there's two more cards, which means that there's 66% chance. Well, I guess. Well,
no.
There's two more cards.
That's not how you calculate probabilities in poker.
No, I know it's based on how many cards there are, right?
Yeah, so if you need like, I don't know, let's say like an 8, there's what, four eights in the deck.
You should say this then 40% of the cards are not shown yet.
Yeah, probably.
40% is the unknown.
A little bit more than 40. I think it's about 50%.
Well, I mean, if the total amount of cards is 5 cards and 3 cards come on the flop.
Oh, you mean on that? I think you meant in the deck.
Yeah, just like that. Like, I'm not talking about probabilities of each card.
Yeah.
Because the thing is, though, poker has more probabilities than trading.
Yeah, there's more outs and combinations.
Right? Because if I'm longing, it's either going to go up or go down.
Yeah. Or sideways.
Right? Poker, there's like, okay, you could get an ace, you could get a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to 12.
Yeah.
Or, sorry.
King.
Actually, no, that'd be 13, sorry, yeah. But then, okay, let's just say then you had higher probability, but then you raised and stuff, but you, like, the thing is, though, I don't have to match you to see what's going to happen for the next card. But in poker, I would. So that's why I'm trying to say poker's a bit harder, I would say.
Yeah.
With risk management. Actually, yes. Poker is a lot harder when it comes to risk management. Yeah, you can raise me and then I could just say, no, I don't want to see it.
Yeah, it is harder with risk management for sure. But no one's really forced to go all in. I think with poker and Texas Hold'em, all the pros play odds.
No one can force you to go all in. The only thing you have to pay is the commission to the house, which is the blinds.
Yeah, exactly. But not even that. It's like...
it sucks because what happens if like the 4th card or the 5th card goes my way?
Well, then you preserve your capital. There you go. Because the odds, the thing with poker, dude, because I was reading how you calculate probabilities and odds for what we played and all that. Try to get like a little advantage. So if you don't have the probability or odds, let's say you need like, so flush draw, if you have like four of the same suit right now, so if you have like 2 in your hand and 2 in the flop, and there's like 2 more cards left, and you need another like spade or something, there's gonna be 9 spades approximately left in the deck, so you calculate the 9 from the cards left in the deck. Maybe you take away a couple because other people could have a spade too, but it's just about calculating the odds. So you have 2 cards to get 1 spade, and there's approximately maybe like, I don't know, 7 spades out of 40 cards left in the deck. So you just calculate the outs like that. So if you have the outs in your favor, so if you need that or like even a number card, you add that to it too. And you calculate that. It's basically statistics and probabilities when you're playing poker hands and betting
I
or to
totally
see
agree with you.
if you
100%.
the thing with seeing the next card is if you don't have as many outs, if you just look, if you're just playing to see the next card is usually the worst way to play, because then at that point you're kind of paying on a 50-50 shot. It could go your way or it could go like severely
And that's what I
against
don't
you.
like.
Yeah. But
That's because like essentially when you are in a trade, you've already paid the commission.
yeah,
The only thing that's stopping you out is that flips. The trade doesn't go your way,
yeah,
which is
exactly.
fine.
You get stopped out or it
But
gets secured
I don't want to
profit.
be forced to. Oh, now I have to double down just to match what you want to do,
Yeah,
just because the odds are in your favor.
that makes
But
sense.
the thing too is trading. We could be on the same side,
Yeah, we could be on the same side. And poker, you can
right?
never be on the same side unless
Yeah,
you have the same hand, but that's like highly rare. It's rare. It happens, but it's rare.
yeah.
Poker is tougher
You guys
though.
both have double aces,
Yeah.
and you're waiting for the next ace to show up.
Poker is harder for the fact that you have to read your opponent.
Yeah.
And in this case, the opponent, it's tough. Like on the market side, the opponent is the market, and it
Yeah.
gives you pretty much information in every candlestick and everything it
Yeah.
forms. But in poker, you can't get that information from
Yeah.
people. So
And like, if you are good at risk management with poker, then I think you'd be good at risk management.
yeah, exactly. If you could preserve your capital, be a good manage your capital and control your
But
risk in
and
poker.
here's the crappy thing too, though. So that's on like the risk side that we've been talking about. But how about on the reward side? Because just because you have a nice stack of cards and stuff, someone doesn't have to play you either.
Yeah, the thing is, you have to. That's
That's
a
where bluffing
calculated
and
part, right?
breakups happen, right? On the whole grand scheme of things with trading, I guess that's something similar.
Yeah, that's the thing with poker though. If you want to maximize your profits, you kind of have to bait them into thinking you don't have a hand. So the
All
thing
the
is, like, if you have like a flush, you don't really want to go all in. Because if you go all in, let's say on like the river, which is the fourth card, if you go
yeah,
all in, then they could like probably guess that you have a
yeah,
pretty good hand or something. But you kind
yeah,
of want to bait them by going maybe like 10%,
yeah,
20%,
yeah.
and that's how
I
you
agree. I do that all the
maximize
time.
it.
Yeah, but yeah, that's the one thing. And then some people don't actually have to take you.
Yeah, that's true. Fuck, now
So
I
then
want to
you
play
get the
poker.
sickest hand, and everyone freaking flops.
That's Now I want to play poker, man. Fuck, I have to set it
Yeah,
up.
I do too.
Yeah, online poker still. Zoom call it up.
Zoom call.
Should I ask the chat or what? You want to play online poker?
Sure.
That was fun though. That one day we played it over the break.
Yeah. Everyone talk mad shit or what? Just like respect.
Yeah, I guess we just talked, had the video going, Zoom calls, everything like that. It was fun.
Yeah.
Oh, damn, that fucking spirit bomb made it go bullish. No, okay. Gave it the power right there.
Well, I mean, don't forget, the spirit bomb basically attracts the essence of nature. That's how it basically gathers the energy before you have the showdown. So don't worry.
That's true, yeah.
Okay, yo, I'm gonna go. Gotta go watch him. So I'll be back.
Sounds good. I'll clear the drawings actually. Oh, it's slow. Waiting and waiting and waiting for a move to happen. Goat shit range, everybody. This is goat poop range right now. Honestly, if it does start selling off, I'll probably end up exiting. Fuck this 2350 level. Oh, one level I thought I would get to. Kind of have a pullback to 2350 before continuing bullish momentum. I think I said some of that too. I feel like it was bullish exhaustion. So this 2350 is the daily support on the body of the candlestick, right? So I did feel like this 23, 2440, even like 24 area, 2420 and 24. Felt like it was gonna go down and then down like that. I mean, the break below 24 is pretty clean for like 50 cents to 2350. Obviously, the support excuse me, on lower time frames is gonna be around $23.20, $23 flat, but that's what I'm anticipating. That's kind of the trade I want to play. But if it does continue its bullish momentum, that's continue rising. Rise of the dragon almost. So this way is Euro form nice for the hour. I like it. I know how it formed. Just looking at the price, little wick up and then a push down. Yeah, little wick up and then a push down on the hour and on the 30. This should continue bearish to 117. Price action plays right. That should continue bearish. USD cash should go bullish too. So we'll see. Oh man. Oops, wrong one. This is a fat resistance area over here. Huh. Just waiting patiently, everybody. Patiently waiting. If it rejects this area again, fuck my god. Hmm. Honestly, I might end up getting out of break even on this. It's not really moving my way. My average price is still like 35 area. But if it does kind of go down, I'll probably just exit and then continue on the day tomorrow, possibly. So we'll see how that goes. Interesting. Hockey's back. Pretty nice. Go drop it. Drop it. Man, I wonder who gets an 8 spot on the West for basketball.
Yo, did I miss anything?
No,
Okay.
nothing. Euro had a nice flip. That's about it.
Oh,
But,
good thing I didn't hit my freaking order.
what?
I said, good thing I didn't hit my order.
Yeah. I've been rough, eh? Good thing it didn't hit.
Oh, is this the pain? Boom. Oh. Are you out of the silver?
Yeah, I'm out at my stop loss. I have 45. Damn. Yeah, I broke resistance. I think it's gonna go up now. So we'll see. Looks pretty good on the bullish momentum. I guess there is no sell-off before continuing. Play the price action.
Yeah.
Classic.
All right. Well.
What?
No. Nothing. I guess. I mean, since I'm not really doing anything right now, I guess I'm gonna work on the website.
Fair enough. I'm done the stream. I'll take a quick nap before I get on the
Yo,
website.
wait up for a second. Word of the day.
Word of the day. Nice.
Let me. Simulacrum.
What does that mean?
An effigy, image, or representation. So, example is, except for flakes of plaster in its streets, the little city is entirely undamaged. The Simla. Simulacrum?
What's simulacrum?
Okay, why doesn't it play? Come on, man. People need to listen to be able to pronounce. Oh, that's fail. Hold up a second, everyone. Do not give up on the word of the day.
Simulacrum.
There you go.
Simulacrum.
So, except for the flakes of plaster in the streets, the little city is entirely undamaged. The simulacrum now more whole than the original. So, representation is more whole than the original. Okay.
Interesting.
Interesting. Interesting.
Simulacrum.
Wow. And as soon as I search that, it's actually one of what's that card game that people play that Landon has a bunch of cards?
Catan?
No. You know, oh man, what is this?
Oh, the shooter thing?
No. It's like it's not that card game. It's like the actual you buy a bunch of it's like Pokemon cards.
Magic?
Yeah, Magic. There we go. There's actually called Masters Simulacrum card.
Interesting.
That's the first thing I should game.
That's a weird coincidence.
Yeah.
So what was the
All
definition?
Right. It's an effigy or a representation.
Effigy or representation. Nice.
Yeah. I don't know when I would ever use this word.
Yeah,
And
like, would you use that?
Yeah. No, I don't know how to do it.
Fair enough. But
Here's a gallery of thumbnail-sized coworkers on the laptop screen is a diminished simulacrum of the conference table gathers. Okay, so it's kind of like the small thumbnails that we see on Zoom.
Interesting.
Yeah, so it's a representation of something, whether it be bigger or smaller. That's cool.
That is a pretty cool word.
Yeah. All right, well, that's my rant.
But all right, everybody, I'm gonna end the stream. China, a nice trade. My silver trade didn't play out. It is bullish though. If you saw the chart before leaving, it'll probably hit 2460. Broke the resistance pretty nicely, but maybe I'll play it, maybe I won't. I doubt it. I'm gonna take a nap. Fuck it.
Yeah.
One trade a day, right? But all right. See you guys tomorrow.
All right, see you everyone. Take care.